What's new at Haas? The TM-0, Haas's more compact brother to the TM-1. We took the TM-1 and shrank it, so it's even easier to fit in your garage, classroom, or that tight spot in your shop. But even though this is a compact machine, there's still plenty of space on the table for multiple vices. And since it runs on single-phase power, hooking it up anywhere is easy. Don't be fooled by the size and the price. The TM-0 is still a full-fledged CNC with our tried-and-true Haas control at its core, so you'll be up to speed quickly. And if you've got complex 4 or 5-axis parts to make, Haas rotaries, indexers, and trunnions drop onto a TM-0 like they were designed for it. Want even more capability? The TM-0P upgrades you to a 6,000 RPM spindle, 10-pocket tool changer, and chip auger. The new Haas TM-0, compact, real CNC performance that's really affordable. Check out HaasCNC.com for all the specs, plus pricing and availability.